I and you are common members of some other groups.
yeah.
में कितनी conversation होती है ना around nannies.
Someone or the other is looking for a help, for a nanny.
Yeah, I think बहुत सारा judgment इस पे भी होता है that you are a stay-at-home mom.
हाँ.
Why do you need a nanny?
Yeah, it takes a toll on your mental health and your physical health.
How did you find a nanny?
Hit and miss वाला है. There's no one way to find a nanny.
And how was it with the agency?
Agency के साथ एक ने तो मुझे बुद्धू बनाया.
अच्छा.
हाँ. पैसे खा गए.
What are the most common mistakes parents make while hiring a nanny? Hi everyone, this is Akriti bringing to you another episode of our podcast. We are going to talk about nannies today. I am a mum of a almost 2-year-old. I have Rini with me. She's a dear friend. Her son is also the same age as my daughter actually. So we have been sharing a lot of parenting stories and we have been sharing a lot of our struggles. But I thought that, okay, let's bring it together. Let's bring it together on the camera, discuss this and share it with you. So hi Rini, how are you?
Great, tired, perennially. But I think that's part of the package of being a mom. But happy to be here. Happy to share my experience with everyone.
Yeah.
And I hope कुछ काम आए.
नहीं, of course काम आएगा. I mean, I'm part of so many mother groups. I'm sure you are also.
Yeah.
I and you are common members of some mother groups.
Yeah.
उसमें कितनी conversation होती है ना around nannies and
नानी ने ये कर दिया. And हमेशा ही someone or the other is looking for a help, for a nanny.
yeah. So I will dive into this topic quickly. But उसके पहले ना, can you just tell the audience a little bit about how your journey was pre-Advait and post-Advait? How has your life been and so on?
Yeah, sure. So I've been into marketing all my life. I'm a 2015 MICA pass out, after which I have worked with these bigger brands and finally landed at Noise, which was a very interesting experience, and I was leading brand marketing there. Did quite a few campaigns, and then finally one day I realized I'm pregnant, and then everything changed. My attitude in itself, I think, changed. So after having Advait, I think we both, like Yash and I, we felt कि ऐसे तो नहीं, like with work I won't be able to give as much time and attention as much as I wanted to. And secondly, honestly, we didn't even have the kind of help that we needed. Help in terms of family. Because both मतलब हमारी दोनों की फैमिली अलग सिटीज़ में रहती है, एंड दे हैव हेल्प्ड अस एज एंड व्हेन दे कुड. लाइक पेरेंट्स हैव लिव्ड विद अस फॉर लॉन्ग स्ट्रेचेस ऑफ टाइम, but still they cannot move bases. That is like expecting too much from them. Eventually maybe that will happen, but abhi nahi hua hai. So long story short, that's why we decided कि ठीक है, अभी के लिए मेरा मन था to experience this journey fully and live these moments, and that's why I took a break.
So you were saying that you definitely needed help. And I think this also becomes more relevant, because there are so many of us like that, especially like you were saying, Micah, and then, work, etc., etc. I'm also from some business school and some work, etc., etc. I think there are just so many parents like that, जिसमें I think many a times you consciously decide कि okay, step back लेते हैं, and we can do this, which I honestly think is a massive luxury to be able to do that.
No, absolutely, yaar. Matlab, God has been kind.
Has been very kind. Yeah. So with all of that, and I think a lot of us are also nuclear family folks.
Yes.
So we don't have our parents. We can't tell them कि आप एक
अपना सब कुछ छोड़ के
आप यहाँ आ जाओ, and especially from a city जहाँ पे आप कितने साल से settled हो.
Absolutely.
So that's why also I think it was more on point. अब let's get into this. So थोड़ा सा ना वो let's try to like paint a picture.
Sure.
So ideally we are talking about people like us. Either both of them are working, or one of them is working, or one of them is not working for a small period of time, because I'm sure eventually all of us will end up going back to work. So we are also thinking of कि okay, future में कैसा होगा.
जी.
Right. We know that family is coming and going, but फिर भी आप किसी भी family member पे I'm assuming कि आप 100% ये नहीं कर सकते कि अच्छा आप हो तो कुछ नहीं होगा.
Absolutely. वो नहीं कर सकते यार. That is like expecting too much. वो खुद भी can I do that much for anyone? वो एक you should have that sort of self-awareness.
No, I agree. So then I think largely we are talking about a couple who is very reliant on each other.
Yeah.
And now they have a baby and they are trying to figure out a ecosystem.
Yeah.
Right? Okay. थोड़ा सा और भी layout करते हैं. In terms of help, you would, I'm assuming you have a cook and a driver and a...
Yeah. And someone for cleaning.
Yeah. So I think ये भी fairly standard है कि there is a cook, there is a somebody who comes to clean.
Yeah.
In some cases maybe there's a driver also.
Yeah.
But इसके बाद भी there is like we still can't call it help
Yeah.
for the baby, right?
Yeah. Because these are not live-in helps. ये आके करके चले जाते हैं. Right? After a baby, you need someone for 20, if not for 24 hours, at least 10, 12 hours, the waking hours. See, in our case, after Yash used to go to work, if I have to go to the washroom also,
Yeah, I know.
I need someone to watch the baby, to be there. मतलब ऐसे छोड़ के नहीं जा सकते आप.
I have had situations I've taken Riva inside the washroom because she's just not leaving.
I can totally imagine that.
Yeah.
So that's when we realized कि we need more help. And some मतलब people might judge कि अरे इतना कुछ था फिर एक और help, but then वो थी ज़रूरत.
Yeah.
In a way, these helps fill in for family members. I would go to the extent and say as much.
Oh, wow. I think that's what I wanted to touch upon actually. And see, I'm trying to keep this conversation as raw as possible. I think बहुत सारा judgment इस पे भी होता है that you are a stay-at-home mom.
हाँ.
Why do you need a nanny?
Yeah, होता है, बहुत होता है.
So what is your take on that? Why do you think that's the मतलब that is a necessity and so on? Which I also believe needed है. But I think hearing from you would be better.
क्योंकि when the child initial months में when the child is feeding at the night, मुझे सोने को ही नहीं मिलता था. Like throughout the night, Advait wouldn't sleep and I wouldn't sleep and I was so groggy in the day. I was not able to do anything.
Yeah.
And no matter how much you sleep in the day, वो रात की नींद रात की होती है. And a lot of mothers can relate with me on this. So when you have help during the day, it is helpful.
Yeah.
Because then there is someone who can take care of the child while you are able to rest at least for some hours.
Yeah.
She cannot still replace a mother, but at least you have some eyes who are watching over. But again, फिर वो आता है कि how do you build trust? आप सो रहे हो अकेले घर में है. These were all actual anxieties that I have dealt with. कि अपना घर में ऐसे छोड़ के कैसे सो जाऊं. Initially तो I was not even able to sleep. हमेशा वो लगा रहता था अरे ये कुछ कर तो नहीं रही. These are genuine problems. But eventually when you understand people, उनका attitude समझ में आता है, then the trust also builds. Like any other relationship. On day one, you don't trust anybody. Right? But the relationship, the equation evolves.
So I was also so when we were discussing about this, right, कि जैसे मुझे सोना है सुबह, and of course I mean you need someone. I think that it's also, I'm thinking how to articulate it in a nice way.
बोल दो यार.
See, because I don't know why the world thinks कि just because now you've become a mother, so you would enjoy doing all the chores of having a baby. No, not everything is not, roses. It's not.
True.
I would not like to, I mean, there were a lot of times when she was not on the diaper, when we started her potty training and so on, thoda sa. She was not on the diaper, so she would poop a lot in the underwear, right? I don't want to clean it.
Yeah.
Right? Yeah. I don't want to do the so many वो होते हैं what do you call it? इतनी उल्टियाँ होती हैं उनको शुरू में. हाँ, इतने spit ups होते हैं, इतने बार आपको कपड़े चेंज करना था. I don't want to do all the cleaning and so on and so forth. So I think that it is also assumed कि because now you have become a mother, when you were not doing in your life all the chores, now you'll suddenly start enjoying it for your baby.
What people don't maybe realize कि having a nanny enables you to, not take care of these tasks and spend quality time with your child.
I agree. Yeah.
So having help, उससे वो बहुत फायदा है.
Yeah.
Because if I'm cleaning poop, spit ups throughout the day, मेरा कहाँ ही मन होगा यार to enjoy with my child.
Correct.
I will be exhausted throughout.
Yeah.
Because I had help. And it reflects. If you're spending quality time with your child, it reflects in the upbringing. It reflects in their development.
Absolutely.
Right. So, like I have been reading to him. I've been playing with him. I've been doing a number of things with him.
Yeah.
I could do all of that because I had someone to take care of the other stuff.
No, I think na ek aur, while you were saying this, I was also thinking of a time. So Riva was, I think, around 3-4 months at that time. and my husband's father had passed away.
Oh,
So we were in our hometown
okay.
for 15, 16 days, and it happened so suddenly that I couldn't take my help with,
Oh,
right?
okay.
So then basically I was managing her,
Oh,
whatever little help we had, and plus it was all relatives together.
Yeah.
It was everyone together in like a super crowded house. And I was with her the whole time. And I realized that if I was doing that full day, I would actually get very emotionally triggered because I'm not getting a break at all.
सही बात. No, I can totally
Right.
understand.
So, and वो होता था ना तो, and plus I couldn't work. I wasn't doing anything for myself really. I was just doing this. And yes, of course I love her and everything, but I think by the 8th, 9th hour, I would get exhausted.
No,
And like
I
you're
can
saying
totally
कि हाँ वो
understand.
पूरा का पूरा फिर it wouldn't be a great
Yeah, it
connection.
Won't be, yeah, it can't be because I remember my mother like some parts of the childhood. My mother used to be so exhausted from
Yeah.
household chores, taking care of us. She couldn't do anything for herself and she keeps telling me कि बेटा हम तो तुम्हारे बच्चों का बचपन देख रहे हैं, हम तुम्हारा बचपन तो देख ही नहीं पाए.
I agree. Yeah.
क्योंकि वो काम में ही लगे रहते थे एंड उनके टाइम में तो like there was no help also, so they were
help
doing
भी नहीं होती थी,
yeah, they were
actually.
doing household chores also, taking care of
Yeah.
us, taking care of all rishtedari and everything.
Yeah.
And it is very it takes a toll on your mental health, on your physical health when you're exhausted throughout the day. पूरे टाइम ही आप exhausted हो तो प्यार कहाँ से आएगा? चिढ़ ही आएगी.
प्यार ना आपको बच्चे पे आएगा ना आपको अपने पार्टनर पे आएगा.
Yeah.
So yeah, I think चलो ये तो हमने establish कर दिया कि भाई I mean anybody in the audience, if you don't get it कि why does a stay at home mom needs a nanny, everybody needs a nanny.
Yeah.
You are working, you're not working. So I think वो तो बहुत ही clearly established है.
एंड उसका एक दूसरा एंगल भी है. अ नैनी हु हैज़ वर्कड और हैज़ टेकन केयर ऑफ चिल्ड्रन इन द पास्ट, वो अपना एक वर्क एक्स लेके भी आती है. सो आई रिमेंबर 1 or 2 episodes where my first nanny, when we started solids for Advait, he couldn't poop. He was heavily constipated and I tried everything. I didn't want to do the like मुझे उसे laxative नहीं देना था.
Right,
I didn't want
right.
to take an extreme step like this. So we were trying all the घर का नुस्खा. So उसको pea fruits दे दिए कि पपाया खिला लो, ये कर लो, वो कर लो, prunes दे
Yeah,
दिए.
yeah.
Nothing was working and it was day 5 and I was losing my mind. And my nanny saw it. She was a Bengali woman. So उसने अपना बच्चा भी बड़ा करा है.
Right.
So she suggested a घरेलू नुस्खा and it helped and it worked like a charm.
Yeah. No, that's true. हाँ हम भी तो first time parents हैं.
Yeah,
हमें भी
हम
नहीं
भी तो
पता.
first time parents हैं.
Yeah.
And I couldn't put Advait to sleep the way she could. She just knew it. कि ऐसे करना है.
And I think it takes a lot of I mean it takes a heart to be able to acknowledge all of this also.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah, I mean
ये भी है.
yeah, seriously I don't think like a lot of us are not able to. मेरे लिए खुद journey रही है. It has जबकि मेरी नानी तो same है.
Oh.
From 1 month of Riva
Oh, wow.
till now.
Touch wood.
Touch wood. But I have had I would say episodes of being petty. I have had those for sure.
Yeah, you learn.
Yeah.
You learn.
And then you learn over time. But
Yeah,
yeah,
you learn
I
over
think
time.
I have had like I wouldn't leave initially. तो like you were saying ना मैं रीवा को छोड़ती नहीं थी उसके पास. Even if she has, I mean she's at home full time 24-hour nanny with us, and I would just not leave Riva with her.
तो हमने भी
तो,
ये करा
yeah,
है.
ये सब भी
This
हमने
is with
कर
our
रखा है.
third nanny कि अब हम थोड़ा छोड़ पा रहे हैं.
Yeah.
वरना हम नहीं छोड़ते थे. वो होता ही नहीं था. But then you learn. Everyone has a learning curve. Like before this, I've never had 24-hour living help.
Yeah, that
Live-in
too, na,
help
we've never
with us.
had that. Yeah.
So getting used to someone being sharing the roof with you, that was also a process in itself. Initially, it seemed like a severe blow on our privacy. But फिर you learn कि how to coexist.
Yeah.
ये उसकी space है. These are the topics that you like ऐसे behave करना है. Like how to coexist, you learn. इसे like कोई experience था ही नहीं to have a live-in help.
No, I agree. I think we though actually shifted our house because we did not have a servant quarter वाला 3 BHK.
Okay.
So we shifted because we knew कि हमें 24 hour चाहिए होगी. तो she also should have her space.
Yeah.
Okay, I think अभी हम ना quickly इस पे jump करते हैं. How did you find a nanny? How to find a nanny?
So मैंने तो दोनों path try करे हैं. I've been through an agency also. I have taken personal recommendations from groups, from friends.
Yeah.
So hit and miss वाला है. There's no one way to find a nanny. But broadly, these are two routes.
Yeah.
Either you reach out through agencies or you share queries on these mothers groups and speak with friends
Yeah.
who can recommend someone. If you're lucky, कोई recommendation मिल जाती है. And generally, in my experience, जो recommendation से आती हैं, like from my personal contacts, they have worked better for me.
But these people, like when they recommend you, are they able to recommend you a person, or are they able to say कि my nanny came through this agent?
दोनों हुआ, दोनों चीज़ हुई है. मैंने तो दोनों ही चीज़ें ट्राई करी हैं. Like my friends, they recommended an agency, so I spoke with them, found someone through them. And my current nanny, she has come from personal recommend. Like individual was recommended.
अच्छा.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, yeah. कि
Okay.
she's good with her
So a
job,
nanny's
she's-
sister or a nanny's relative ऐसा कुछ.
No, so the friend had hired her initially, like some 2 years back. Then there were some issues because of which she had to let her go. And now she was available. So she said, if you want, you can consider.
Okay.
I spoke with her. I found her nice. So we thought that might as well give it a try.
Yeah,
So
yeah,
we did a
yeah.
trial of 7 days. And then both of us liked each other. So we thought it's better we continue.
Nice, nice. So this is through a personal friend.
Yeah,
Okay.
this is through a personal friend.
Almost like a work experience के साथ.
Yes.
Referral hire.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah,
Got
yeah,
it.
yeah.
And how was it with the agency?
एजेंसी के साथ एक ने तो मुझे बुद्धू बनाया.
अच्छा.
Yeah. पैसे खा गए.
Seriously?
Yeah. They sent. So a lot of agencies do that.
Do you want
they
to
will-
name this agency?
हाँ, एक हेल्पिंग हैंड्स करके है.
अच्छा. Okay.
हाँ, the guy's name is Abhishek.
Oh, so they took the money and never like gave you.
They sent someone, and so he had promised कि if you don't like someone, we will replace. So on day one, he only that when I told her कि what all responsibilities are supposed to do, that woman said मुझे यहाँ मतलब मुझे अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है, so I want to leave. That candidate only said. So I was like कि ठीक है. And then when she left, I requested that guy कि भाई पैसा return कर दो.
Yeah.
He stopped taking my calls.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
So this is one agency.
Yeah, this was one agency. Then one of my friends, her daughter is 6 years old, so she's been hiring help from this agency, from the other agency for a while. So she said, इससे बात कर ले. This guy is legit, ठीक है, and generally ठीक ठाक staff भेजता है. So I hired someone from there. But that relationship, like my relationship with that nanny, she was a young girl, that became a little tense. So then I decided, like मेरा एक framework है how to hire a nanny. What qualities to look for.
We'll come to that also. You please tell us that framework as well.
हाँ, sure. Not मतलब इतना कोई बहुत वो नहीं है.
But I think
But yeah, there are several
people
points
are
that I
looking for
keep in mind.
frameworks actually.
There are some key points which at least work for me. Right. So I will come to that, like you said.
Yeah.
So वो candidate stayed with me for good 8-9 months. But then the equation deteriorated for some reasons.
Yeah.
And then therefore we decided to look for a replacement.
Right.
And that guy, uska commission was very high. So within a span of a year, we didn't want to pay that commission again. So we thought कि अभी किसी और को देखते हैं. We had reached out to him. He
But
did
they
the
do
candidate.
replacements ना for an
So
year
अलग
also.
agency का अलग model है. There's not one model that has been followed in the industry. वो आपको you will have to get into the details, and it's better you get into the details and understand.
Beforehand, yeah.
Yeah, beforehand. कि आप कब तक replacement देते हो. जैसे the last agency that I worked with, वो केवल 3 महीने तक replacement देते हैं.
अच्छा, our guy gives us for 1 year.
हाँ, okay. वही अलग अलग मॉडल्स हैं. There are some smaller agencies जो कितने भी आपको replacements दे देंगे. So वो problem नहीं है.
Have you also tried these other ये जो new age apps आई है ना?
Mom Kid and something
Mom
ना?
Kid, then there's I think Pronto वगैरह में भी you get
Pronto में
help.
मेरे को कब नहीं, Pronto में
नहीं
नहीं
मिलता है,
है.
nannies नहीं
नहीं
मिलती.
है.
Okay.
इसमें है Mom Kid Care. मैं वेबसाइट का नाम भूल रही हूँ.
हाँ.
But for some reason they never had anything for me. मतलब वो टाइम पे they could never share a good candidate. And before they could send someone, I found someone else.
Got it.
So our stars were not aligned.
Yeah. nanny के साथ तो star align करना पड़ता है. मतलब that is important.
nanny की agency.
Yeah.
So काफ़ी चीज़ें try करी हैं. And I think personal reco has worked the best for me more than an agency.
Right.
But having said that, you cannot dilute the importance of an agency because ज़रूरी नहीं है हर बारी personal reco available हो.
Yeah,
So if you get lucky, you get lucky.
So okay, got it. So largely we are saying कि nannies ढूंढने का तरीका है either through an agency. If you're talking to an agency, get their terms right
Yeah.
beforehand,
Yeah.
and ask every detail around replacement, etc.,
Yes.
etc. That was one. The second, you said that find through referrals.
Yeah.
Referrals, maybe you would want to check like previous work ex,
Yes.
etc., etc.
Yeah.
That kind of a thing. And the third could be like a mid path, कि किसी group में किसी
किसी-
agency की
yeah.
number मिल गई या फिर
Yeah.
ऐसा कुछ.
Yeah.
You do the similar checks.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
ठीक है. So largely this. Now let's come to this part that when you meet a nanny, and we'll come to your framework now. What's the framework to understand that, okay, is this person right or not?
See, honestly, there's only so much that you can judge, right? But there are a few checks that I do, and I think having managed teams
Yeah.
in my during when I was working, that has helped. एक बंदे को read करना है. See, any help or any resource that you onboard, वो एक एजेंसी वाला आस्पेक्ट होना चाहिए, एंटरप्राइजिंग कि हाँ ये मैं काम कर लूंगी, ये मतलब उसको ये नहीं होना चाहिए ये मेरा काम है, मैं इतना ही करूंगी. मतलब अ हेल्प शुड नॉट नीड टू बी मैनेज्ड.
Yeah.
ठीक है.
Yeah.
And because this person will be handling your child, sharing the space with you, calm demeanor is very important. And like you said, fizzling in the background, not trying to take the main stage.
Yeah.
वो बहुत ज़रूरी है. Like I remember my second nanny, she would be yapping throughout the day. मतलब मैं कुछ कर रही हूँ, you can't focus, very loud.
Yeah.
कंपीटेंस का प्रॉब्लम नहीं था, बट एटीट्यूड का उसके साथ बहुत प्रॉब्लम था. एंड ऑफ कोर्स मैच्योरिटी इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, बिकॉज मैच्योरिटी एंड लाइक आई सेड वो एक कामनेस होनी चाहिए, बिकॉज अ चाइल्ड कैन टेस्ट योर पेशेंस इन हाउ.
बट वही होता है कि ना, लाइक इफ दे कम विद अ माइंडसेट क्योंकि दिस इज माय जॉब एंड दिस इज नॉट माय जॉब, आई थिंक स्किल इज नेवर अ प्रॉब्लम.
Yes.
माइंडसेट नहीं कर सकते चेंज.
Yes, वो चेंज नहीं कर सकते.
So I think at
and
least
that's why generally people who've managed their own homes and children, they are more
They know
open.
about it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They're more open to accepting responsibility. At least this is my experience. I don't know about
absolutely.
others. मेरे लिए that has worked, because my first nanny, great help, but she had to leave for her village, so that's why that relationship ended. But amazing, like very good with her work.
Yeah.
And of course her attitude, like पता ही नहीं चलता था वो घर में है. वो अपना background में she would finish her task, would be there for the baby throughout the day. So I never had to worry about anything.
Yeah. No, I think that is true. But yeah, so I think if you're saying that, okay, the things that have to be done, so barring, I mean, the three things that we'd already discussed, at least immediately asking for what you can ask. They deliver or not, it's a different
Yeah,
thing.
yeah.
But at least making it clear from your side, कि, okay, you know, this is what is expected.
Yeah,
The minimum,
yeah,
bare minimum
yeah.
that's expected.
Yeah.
That could be a good thing. I was also thinking that, you know, now that I look back, so Swati has been with us now for 20 months. Yeah, touch wood. I know my friends, they are also founders.
Okay.
Both of them are founders. And their nanny has been with them for like 5 years odd.
Wow.
And I have seen that these people, you know, then end up promoting themselves to a house manager.
Yeah.
Like
Okay.
today, actually, she manages the cook,
Oh.
the cleaning lady. So, getting the kid from the bus stop, what will he do full day? What will be needed in his school?
So basically running the house.
She's running the house.
Lovely.
And that's how they are able to, you know, take their full mind and their business and whatever time they have, they're actually able to spend quality time with their child.
No, running a house is a full-time job.
It's a full-time job.
Yeah.
So if done well, I mean, and you get like supremely lucky, if both these things happen, then actually that can happen.
Yeah.
So yeah, that was another thought I was thinking about. Now, we've talked about how to hire them. Now let's talk about things as to how to retain them. And I'll also share my learnings
Sure.
as to things which I could have been better at. But let's start with you. How was your journey? Where do you think that
So
where you couldn't retain? I think you have shared some of those.
Yeah,
But where do you think that, okay, you could have done this better and could have maybe retained the person?
हाँ, I think मेरे केस में वो नहीं हुआ है कि I could have retained the person.
Let's try to figure out कि what are the non-negotiables. Because, you know, a lot of us, when we are also hiring and then, you know, getting someone in our life and so on, we are also second guessing a lot.
Yeah.
कि ये okay है या नहीं
Yeah,
okay है,
no,
etc.
बहुत यार खुद पे कितना डाउट होता है,
बहुत doubt होता
बिकॉज
है।
पूरा सिस्टम हिलता है जब भी कोई नई नैनी आती है.
Yeah.
Re-establishing that system, that takes a lot of time and
Yeah.
patience.
Yeah. So what are, like, let's say कि clear non-negotiables?
Communication is a very big problem.
They don't say.
They don't
talk.
communicate.
Yeah.
So I keep telling them, अगर कुछ बात है, communicate. ये फ़ोन बंद कर लेंगी, they won't respond. So एक वो वाली चीज़ आ जाती है, like helping them understand कि भाई कोई अगर if there is an issue, if you're facing something, come and communicate. For me, my biggest non-negotiable has been ये hygiene. तो basic चीज़ हो गई, like hygiene and all of that. One person I spoke with, वो body odor इतनी आ रही थी, तो I was like, वो तो नहीं हो सकता. ठीक है. Then we are vegetarian, so the dietary preference was also a consideration. We didn't want to extend that कि फिर आपको हम नॉन वेज दे रहे हैं,
नहीं हो पाएगा.
वो नहीं हो पाएगा, बिकॉज
वो तो लाइफस्टाइल मैच
वो तो लाइफस्टाइल मैच नहीं कर रही है.
Right.
देन ऐसा ना हो कि कभी बच्चा नहीं देखा है, राइट. बिल्कुल स्क्रैच से स्टार्ट करना, बिकॉज देन यू वुडंट इवन नो कि बच्चे को हैंडल कैसे करना है.
Yeah.
Right. So some experience with the child, someone else's or your own, preferably your own, it's better. So that was a no go, absolute no go कि बिल्कुल बच्चे का काम नहीं आता है.
Right.
Right. Then attitude, वो like, so we've had trial periods. वो समझ में आ जाता है थोड़ा कि भाई देखो इनका attitude थोड़ा ज़्यादा वो है, like this will need a lot of training and lot of adjustment. So attitude is a big check.
I think एक बारी हुआ था when I thought that I let her go. I don't want her to keep. I think that was because what would happen is that whenever she would go home and her house is in the hills somewhere, so it's not easy to going there and coming back. So whenever she would go, whatever days she has said ना, उससे हमेशा 1-2 दिन 3 दिन ज़्यादा होता था.
Oh.
And that would disrupt my work schedule because that's एकदम ही sacrosanct. So वो हो जाता था. So I think that happened for 3-4 times, and then I think एक बार ऐसा हो गया था that she didn't inform also, and something, and then she was, I think,
वही
slightly
इन लोग के
moved.
साथ ना communication का बहुत problem रहता है.
हाँ, but then after, I think, and उस समय I was very clear that I had almost told her that you don't have to come. But my husband Sani like put his foot down and he said no, she's really good with Riva.
Okay.
So we'll figure it out.
Okay.
कुछ भी करके, and then she came back. She was very sorry. She said it and all that. But I think now what I didn't understand at that point of time was her situation. See, whenever she goes home, she has a young child. 5 years का child है. तो the kid wants her to stay.
सही बात है.
तो वो कैसे करेगी? She is coming from the hills. तो उसको नहीं मिलती buses बहुत बार. And because like you're saying कि उनका communication नहीं होता, it's not easy for her to tell me all of this. She has some personal stuff also going on, etc. So it's not very obvious and easy for her to tell that. And I had not given it an extra thought to understand it from her perspective, which I got later. And I'm so glad that Sani put his foot down because we wouldn't have got another help that you can trust so much. So I think that was one thing. It might not be intuitive for many of us, but putting yourself in their perspective is important. थोड़ा बहुत
makes a lot of sense. Makes a lot of sense.
How do you retain nannies? Like, what are the house rules? Are there different house rules for her?
Not really. So I think because they have worked in houses, like they've been nannies, so कुछ तो उनको rules पता ही हैं, which they continued here. ठीक है, and I didn't have to tell them.
What would be those rules, for example?
So जैसे अपने कपड़े कहाँ सुखाने हैं, राइट. और यू कैन नॉट डिमांड स्टफ कि मुझे ये ही ब्रांड का चाहिए, राइट. एज अ पर्सन आई मेक श्योर दैट मतलब वो लेवल में आई गेट द बेस्ट फॉर देम, लाइक दे आर वेल टेकन केयर ऑफ फॉर देम. आई विल मेक श्योर कि they feel good, that they feel they're well taken care of. But of course I can't spend to that extent. So कितना like कैसे डिमांड नहीं करना है वो उनको थोड़ा सेंस था.
Right.
कि and
No, that's
if at
true,
all,
yeah.
if at all, like my current nanny, sorry, I'm getting into specifics right now.
No, but we need the specifics now. I mean, people ask
So
for
she
specifics.
prefers a certain brand for her face wash. So she herself says कि हाँ दीदी मैं दे दूंगी. उसका. So again, I didn't have to tell them. फिर कमिंग टू फूड, वो हम लोग का हमेशा सेम रहा है. वी हैवंट kept their utensils अलग से.
Yeah.
Because वो सब कुछ धुलता ही है. It doesn't really matter. You go to a restaurant,
It's the same.
you don't
Yeah,
know
yeah, it
कि
doesn't matter.
who has eaten in that plate. It doesn't matter.
And I think it's slightly ridiculous also
Yeah,
to
it's
do
slightly
it.
ridiculous also. So utensils and all are same. हमने food भी separate नहीं कर रखा है.
Yeah.
Because that's another layer of management, another headache. क्योंकि वो फिर क्या खाएगी, वो आपको सोचना है. You have to communicate. वो cook फिर चिक चिक करेगी because then she had to cook
Yeah,
for
yeah.
someone. मतलब एक और extra उसे cook
I was
करना
actually
पड़ेगा.
in that group. People were also talking about कि do you ask the nanny for her preference of food? I don't.
I don't.
Because primarily because it increases the complexity.
Yeah, it increases. पूरे system का complexity बढ़ जाता है.
So that's true. I think वो complexity नहीं करते तो food वाली complexity नहीं करते.
Food वाली complexity नहीं करी है. उनके
Of course, designated spaces for her, etc. etc.
We have a separate room for her. And we made sure कि that room is like before she came. So it was a storeroom. Like it was a servant's quarters only. But उसमें हमारा सामान रखा हुआ था. तो we made sure that it's prim and proper. Like वो ऊपर हमने planks लगवा दिए. So she has enough space.
Yeah.
ठीक है. Before she came, I got all the hooks and everything installed. So that she has place to keep her stuff.
Yeah.
So when she comes to her space, she also feels nice.
Yeah.
But then at the same time, there are some people who don't acknowledge these efforts.
Which I think ना
एक ना ये भी बड़ा वो रहता है कि इनके पास तो इतना है तो क्या बड़ी बात है, सभी करते हैं.
अच्छा, that way you are saying, okay, हाँ. I was thinking the other way. Like in many houses, I have seen that they don't want to go that extra mile for your nanny.
Oh yeah.
Because she's definitely not like some other help.
She's taking care of your child.
She's taking care of your child.
Yeah.
So she's not another help.
One more thing that I make sure that she's not burnt out. क्योंकि अगर if she's burnt out, she's not well rested, वो बच्चे पे ही निकालेगी.
Yeah.
So my endeavor has never been कि इससे मैं काम निकलवा लूँ.
Correct. I agree.
If you need that 1 hour rest, you go take that rest. I'll take care of the baby in that time.
No, makes sense. I think, yeah. So separate spaces for her. We also, I think, did the same thing. Keeping a separate room which has attached washroom for her. She has her space कि वो जाकर के, she has her balcony access ताकि वो अपने जो भी whatever clothes or whatever she has to do.
Yeah.
We also make sure that none of us enter her room.
Yeah. And if at all we have to enter, we inform her.
We ask her.
Yeah. We ask her.
कि ये कुछ काम है, can we go or you come with us?
Yeah, you come. Same. We also do that.
So I think these kind of space वाला, unfortunately I don't see many people doing it.
नहीं, वो है. Not everyone respects the person's space. वो है.
Yeah. So.
And maybe that's why these people get so protective about it, or maybe I don't know, defensive about these things.
Yeah.
Because they've also had their share of bad experiences. So I wouldn't say कि केवल इन्हीं लोग की गलती होती है. Many people, they also don't go all the way.
They don't, and I mean, honestly, I was thinking, see, going to someone's house and then staying there, it's a massive security risk.
Yeah.
When you don't know the family, so as much as we are trying to assess them, they also have to assess the family.
They also have to. They also have to. Absolutely.
What if you have a perv in the house?
Yeah. Absolutely.
So I mean, they are also like putting themselves on the front line.
Yeah. Totally.
Yeah.
And living in someone's house every day throughout the day, it must be मतलब it takes a toll यार. फिर अपनी एक space होनी चाहिए ना.
Yeah. And फिर वो space में कुछ भी करे. I mean, she wants to be on the call or video calls or whatever throughout. It doesn't matter.
It doesn't matter.
As far as it's not too loud that we get to hear her conversation, it's completely okay.
It's completely okay. Then that room is her space, whatever she wants to do.
Yeah. In fact, we had to, like, when she came, Swati, we had to tell that, whenever you are in your room, you can keep your door closed. Because she would keep it open. And ना हमारा ऐसा है कि you enter the main door. And इधर ही side पे servant quarter है.
अच्छा, okay.
So it's her room. So if you let's say you are opening the door for delivery pickup also, the guy can see through her room.
Oh, okay.
If it's open. So we had to tell her that you can keep it closed.
Okay.
It is your space. We would not want that your privacy is getting hampered like this.
Yeah.
So that had to happen. I think over time ये सब भी उसे बताना पड़ा है that like for example we are not there in the house for 4 days. She's at home. What will she do? तो मैं उसको बोला है कि यार लिविंग रूम में टीवी है, देख ले प्लीज, यू लर्न हाउ टू यूज द रिमोट एंड सो ऑन. तो वो सब कर लो. बट आई थिंक वी गॉट वेरी लकी विथ हर. वो धीरे धीरे करके हमें समझाना पड़ा उसको. राइट. Okay, what are the other ways that you retain someone? So one is like, of course, giving them space, respecting them as
Yeah.
individuals for
Yeah.
sure.
I
Big
think
point
the
that they don't get burnt out. I think that's an important point.
yeah, they don't feel burnt out. And हम लोग तो जैसे बाहर जाते हैं and बाहर से I mean to restaurants and
Yeah.
dinner outings and all, we take her along because
Yeah.
हमको लगता है यार मतलब she like we start thinking like that कि इसको भी तो एक outing की लगता होगा ना कि मैं भी बाहर जाऊँ.
I
So
agree.
again, we also strike a balance. I'm not saying कि बिल्कुल ही बिछ जाओ नैनी के लिए. I'm not saying that.
Yeah, yeah.
But wherever you can, it's better that you take her along.
Yeah.
She's helpful also because then she can take care of the baby. You can
Yeah.
you can actually enjoy your meal if you're going on a date. She can take care of the baby and you can have some time.
Yeah.
And उसकी भी outing हो जाती है. She also feels nice because वो भी तो घर पे रहती है ना पूरे time.
Yeah.
So sometimes उसको कुछ अलग से allowance दे दिया. Right? If she's done something extra, we make sure like we had gone to Bombay to Yash's parents' house. वहाँ पे she did pitch in wherever required because वहाँ पे कुछ help का problem हुआ था तो my nanny took up the extra job. So we made sure that we pay her for that. So she feels well compensated.
Yeah.
कि मैंने ऐसे खाली पीली में like मैंने काम नहीं करा. I was rewarded for what I did.
Yeah, yeah, no, true. I think what we so yeah, I think striking balance में ना many times like जब हमें अपना space चाहिए होता है like many a times let's say three of us, I mean me, Fanny and Riva, we are going out somewhere and we wanted to be our time only, we don't take her.
हाँ.
But I think one thing that has worked is because we have so many other friends who also have nannies. Whenever we go to their place, we for sure take her.
Yeah.
And she has ended up becoming friends with all of the other nannies.
Oh, that is super helpful.
Yeah, that's very helpful.
That's very
now
helpful.
because she is friends with the other nannies. If we are let's say going to a friend's house और उनके नीचे society में कोई कुछ लगा है, you know, stalls walls लगते हैं ना, and all of these things. Something is happening. So both of them will go there, have थोड़ा सा fun time. At that time I'll give her some money and I'll say कि कुछ shop करना है कर लो. You want to eat something, do.
Yeah.
ऐसा तो उसके लिए भी थोड़ी सी एक outing हो जाती है.
Yeah.
And she has her friends.
Yeah.
Really.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
So yeah, I think largely then it is about how do you respect someone's space and like I think maybe
Basically, they should feel well taken care of.
yeah, you have to I think in your mind make it clear that they are not your regular help.
Yeah. वो बहुत important है.
हाँ.
One absolute no-go वो मुझे अभी याद आया. So I've heard stories of nanny taking advance and then not showing up. So मेरे को ये मेरी clear policy थी advance में नहीं दूंगी. So don't come to me expecting कि दीदी अभी 1 लाख दे दो 2 लाख दे दो. That's not gonna happen. Your life problems, you deal with it. I'm paying you a salary. And if you need something, if you need me to buy something, I will buy it for you, but then I will deduct it from your salary.
Yeah. Basically keeping it as clear as possible.
Yeah.
Keep your expectations clear so that they also don't feel कि okay अब तो मेरे लिए सब कुछ ही accessible है.
Yes.
Like I think for us also like she knows कि she doesn't enter our bedroom
Okay.
like without really knowing that she can. I'll have to tell her कि you can come ऐसा. So she has some rules. She knows that. But yeah, I think as long as you are clear
Again,
about it.
she's a smart individual.
Yeah.
कोई लोगों के लिए आप करते हो like one of my nannies, we were the same people. But उसको लगता था like that she could take us for a ride because these are nice people. So वो भी होता है.
I agree. Yeah.
वो भी होता है. Then you have to see कि भाई like how do you strike a balance?
Oh, my Japa lady used
बेवकूफ
to.
ना समझे.
Yeah. I think that was another reason क्योंकि you know you also like as people we don't know how to fight and all that. वो हमसे
Yeah.
होता नहीं है. So our Japa lady used to do this that she would cook food for me with a lot of ghee and everything,
And then eat it herself.
and she will eat it. So
Yeah.
and she would keep storing stuff which she would then take home. But again, we wouldn't enter her room also.
Okay.
So, but we felt कि यार best to part ways. Simple.
So वही मतलब ऐसी situations में there's not much you can do. आप नहीं लड़ सकते यार.
क्या करोगे आप? हाँ, ठीक है.
So it again boils down to how that individual is, and therefore attitude and all of these aspects they become very important.
Yeah. I think the
कि-
other हाँ sorry you
वही मतलब she doesn't take you for granted.
Yeah.
वो एक certain level of maturity हो that she has that sense of gratitude कि अगर मेरे लिए they are taking care of me, so therefore I need to deliver my job better. आप
Yeah.
उतना ही कर सकते हो.
And I think from an ecosystem perspective also, na, like I think few things are set. For example, there is a camera in the baby room.
हाँ, yeah.
There is a camera in the living room. So when we are not at home, both of us are working in, so हम नहीं होते बहुत बार घर पे. So there are few rooms which are locked. But the main access door की front वाला जो door है वहाँ पे camera access है.
Okay.
Baby room पे camera access है, etc. And she knows that I look at the camera at least like 5-6 times a day. So she knows that. I think it would be the same in your society also. She cannot go out of the society without my permission.
Yeah.
Like our permission in any manner. We have a good rapport with our tower guard.
Okay.
So that way, I think we have also tried to make systems that will
Additional layer of security.
security.
Yeah.
Because let's say there are times when the baby is just with her at home. It could be 1-2 hours. I know friends who have actually trusted the kid with the nanny for longer hours. We are still not able to do that. But I trust her enough that Riva is there at home with her for few hours. And I know that she's well taken care of. But फिर भी there's an additional layer of security so that she also knows कि okay, yeah, तुम कितना भी trust कर लो. इतना तो I don't think I would trust anyone.
Yeah. No, I
be
can
it a
totally
family member
relate.
also.
Yeah,
I think it will be
absolutely.
difficult.
Absolutely.
Yeah. So I think gadgets around it, etc., also can help.
No, this additional layer of security really helps because I've heard cases with one of my friends, nanny had something of her own, like kuch to emergency or whatever. Something happens and she left. She walked out middle of the night. And they got to know like in the morning, अरे nanny का कमरा खाली है, कहाँ गई?
Oh, seriously?
Yeah. And they were like, oh God, अब मतलब कुछ हो जाएगा, उनके सिर पे आएगा. Because you're also in a way responsible.
Yeah.
कि आपके घर रह रही है, कुछ हो ना जाए. So ये भी चीज़ हुई है. So this additional layer of security certainly helps.
Yeah. I think एक और bizarre चीज़ है मैंने, I think I read it in one of, somewhere, I think some mom was only sharing it, that a nanny was trying to build a bond with the baby. She couldn't initially. So she would stress upon this that let me spend some alone time with the baby.
Oh.
Because otherwise I won't. And in her alone time, they got to know that she was trying to feed him, breastfeed him.
Oh my God.
Yeah, I mean, so you know, I mean, I think really we have been like, we are on the luckier side.
Yeah.
There are also bizarre things happening which we don't know.
Absolutely. Absolutely, यार.
Yeah. So I think वही है कि अब थोड़ा तो luck का factor है ही, but जितना हो सकता है आप systems अगर कर लो, the biggest one is that there is alignment between you and your partner as to how the system should be.
Yeah.
क्योंकि अगर उसमें ही alignment नहीं है, then it's like very difficult.
Very difficult.
Yeah. So rest I think is okay.
And there's only so much that you can check in terms of hiring help.
Yeah.
वो ऐसी चीज़ें तो आप कैसे ही फोर्स ही करोगे कि ये कर लेगी. I think one more thing, coming from a maybe happy household, like if they come from happy family, if happy चलो नहीं है, but at least well settled, that also helps.
They don't have their own traumas to
Yeah, they don't have their
solve
own
for.
traumas to deal with. Yeah, फिर if something has happened in the past, it's way in the past that it's not affecting the present. वो भी in a way has worked. But I have seen कि people who have come from very disturbed families and household, they were not able to deliver. And this didn't happen with any of my nannies, but with a cook. अलग ही trauma, like वो नहीं deliver कर पा रही थी because she had so much to deal with in her personal life. वो काम पे क्या ही perform करेगी?
What are the most common mistakes parents make while hiring a nanny?
Trusting too soon, maybe, and giving them an impression that they can be taken for a ride. Doing too much too soon, I think.
Yeah, I would agree. Yes. Do unrealistic expectations create long-term problems?
Yes.
What could be the unrealistic expectations? Like if you have to look at some specific examples.
कि वो अपना नहीं सोचेगी. She is also an individual. She'll think about her first. So if you accept that and think from that perspective, it becomes easier to accept what she's delivering.
And I think like you were saying, you know, in our previous segment, ये सारे traits ना बहुत early on दिख जाते हैं. Like I also know कि in the first 2 months only I would see that if she's free, she has picked up some dusting.
Yes.
तो वो जल्दी दिख जाता है. That's not going to get cultivated suddenly.
Yes. जिसको काम करने की आदत है ना
वो कर लेंगे.
वो कर लेगा. और जिसको नहीं है ना वो आप कल्टिवेट नहीं कर सकते.
वो नहीं कर सकते. And then you shouldn't be waiting for this कि यार अभी नहीं कर रही हो कि 6 महीने के बाद कर लेगी. And then you get bitter about it कि नहीं हो रहा.
एंड हम लोग क्या करते हैं ना बिकॉज वी थिंक कि अरे अब आ गई है तो चलो ठीक है. वी काइंड ऑफ ओवरलुक कि जो वो रेड फ्लैग्स होते हैं वो नहीं कर रही है, वो बदतमीज से बात कर रही है, वो हम ओवरलुक कर देते हैं कि चलो ठीक है, शी इज गुड विद द
Doesn't
चाइल्ड.
work. Yeah.
So maybe it's better you nip it in the bud.
Makes sense. Looking back, what would you do differently?
नहीं, nothing. ऐसा कुछ like in terms of nanny, nothing. I think
Yeah.
we've been lucky. So far the journey, though tumultuous, but pretty manageable.
Right, right. Yeah, I think I would have less idealistic expectations, like the case I was telling you. I mean, they go home, they don't come back immediately the day that they have designated. That's okay. Not everybody is following a 23 wala time stamp. So yeah, not everybody is following deadlines. So I think that's slightly okay. And the second one is it took me a while to really look at things from her perspective.
Okay.
Yeah, it took me a bit of time because I was very idealistic in how I operate. You know, if I'm committed something, I do that exactly. Not everybody is doing it.
वो नहीं होता है.
Does that happen that the kid is getting closer to the nanny and
Hasn't happened with me, maybe because I am a stay-at-home mom only. So the kid sees me around all the time.
Yeah.
But I've heard cases. And मेरे साथ भी instances होते हैं where I feel कि अरे what is happening? But वो ऐसा नहीं है. But honestly, people should not take it otherwise. It's a good thing.
Yeah.
That if the child is feeling so secure around someone else, it's good. It's a good thing only.
Yeah. Actually, when like Anushka asked me this, I was like, yeah, you know, children are extremely forgiving. Even
They
if
are.
you are like they are, they're just too nice.
They're too nice.
They're too nice. So even if you spend like X amount of time only with them, they actually come to you with full heart
Yes.
and so on.
Yeah, वो biological bond नहीं जाता है.
हाँ.
At least not at this age.
Yeah.
Our kids are very young, so अभी भी
I think even later on also they know. Like I have seen. They understand the difference between family and non-family
mom
very
and
clearly.
nanny, they know.
Yeah.
But there are instances where Advait would prefer going to my nanny, but I see it as a positive sign. Okay? He's
Yeah.
feeling that he's feeling safe, he's feeling loved.
Yeah.
So it's a good thing only. It's a very big thing.
Right. Makes sense. So there's no need to be insecure about
No,
it at all.
absolutely
Actually.
not.
It's
Absolutely
almost.
not.
I mean, I think I get more insecure about the fact that Sani has become the preferred parent versus me. Yeah, but I think otherwise I'm also in the same page with you. If she actually bonds well with Swati, I actually feel good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But you have one less thing to worry.
You have one less thing to worry about.
And it becomes easier to trust the person.
Yeah.
When you know कि हाँ child wants to spend time with her, you have one less thing to worry.
Yeah. So largely that. I think I love the chat, honestly.
Oh, me too.
Yeah,
Good
very
fun.
honest, very real, है ना?
Good fun.
Good fun also.
And this topic is so sensitive and so important at the same
Yeah.
time.
Yeah.
So it was interesting. Like, it was fun to talk about it and share our experiences.
Yeah. Any closing thoughts that you have for the audience?
Treat your helps well. I think that is very important. If they feel valued, they deliver.
Yeah.
But again, not everyone. वो एक personality type होता है. Like जिसको नहीं करना होता है वो नहीं करता है. But at least you do your part.
Yeah, I think the moment we have this mindset that, you know, what they are taking care of our children, it's a very different work
Yeah,
versus
it's a
cooking
very
for you,
different-
cleaning for
yeah.
you. It's a very different thing. Cool. So I hope you had fun. I had an amazing time talking to
Me
Rini.
too.
Thank you so much. It was such a wonderful conversation.
Thanks for calling me.
No, and I'm glad I did, and I'm glad that you accepted. So thanks a lot. So, folks, I think see, hiring a nanny is not easy. Retaining one is not easy. We have been in the same boat, but do we need a nanny? I think absolutely yes. Do we need a 24-hour nanny? I think absolutely yes. I would value that a lot more than 12-hour. But of course, it's your judgment. But I think the biggest one is to not worry. I think we will learn things on the go, like we are doing in parenting. We learn how to, you know, take care of our children. We learn how to make a bond with them, how to engage with them, and so on. And learning to work with someone who is going to be super critical in your child's life is also something that we'll learn. So hope this was helpful. If this was helpful, please share it with your other mom, dad, friends. Also, I'm told by my team, please share, subscribe, and like. Thank you so much.